Very good morning, children. I am going to discuss money market in India. Please understand there are two markets in India. One is money market, second is capital market. Okay. So first part we will discuss money market. Another question we will discuss capital market. Dekho. What is money market? Money market is the place where money is borrowed and lent for short period less than 1 year. This is a golden sentence. Money market is the place where money is borrowed and lent in less than 1 year. Please remember that. That is money market. Indian money market is having a peculiar feature, that is dichotomy. Children, see the spelling. Indian money market is having a peculiar feature, dichotomy. Dicho means two. Okay. Dichotomy means segments. So Indian money market is having two segments. What are the two segments? One is organized segment, other is unorganized segment. There are two segments for Indian money market. One is organized segment and other is unorganized segment. Children, what is Indian money market? The place where money is borrowed and lent. The time is very important, less than 365 days. Okay. So Indian money market is having the characteristics of dichotomy. It's a very good question. It is divided into two segments, organized and unorganized. Okay. Now, this you have to be careful. We are now talking about the organized segment. What is the specialty of organized segment, children? Organized segment is that segment which is managed by RBI. Okay, here with is an image. Organized segment is that segment which is managed by RBI. Unorganized segment is that segment which is outside the control of RBI. RBI के कंट्रोल के बाहर एक मार्केट है, वो मार्केट के लिए हम अनऑर्गेनाइज सेगमेंट बुलाते हैं. RBI का सेगमेंट के अंदर जो मार्केट है, it is known as organized segment. ये organized segment में अब देखिए what all things are there in the organized market. One minute, I'm just okay. 1 second, I want the earlier slide. Yes, I hope you can see the slide. We are talking about the organized segment. Organized segment, you can see here. First, there is a call money market. Then there is a treasury bill market. There is a commercial bill market, certificate of deposit, commercial paper, CP, repo rate and reverse repo rate, then government securities, mutual funds. Please make it very, very clear, thorough in your mind. I'm repeating again, organized segment consisting of, all these parts. These are the part of organized segment. And who is the head of organized segment? RBI. Organized segment is that segment which is coming under the control of RBI. That is organized segment. Okay. So here, as far as RBI is concerned, Reserve Bank is the controlling authority. Unorganized segment means it is outside the control of RBI. So here we are going to discuss what is called money market, what is treasury bill, commercial paper, commercial bill market, certificate of deposit, commercial paper, repo and reverse repo, then government securities and mutual funds. These are the segments under organized sector of Indian money market. Okay. Now we will discuss, I have already written it over here. Organized segment is that segment which is controlled by RBI. Okay. Now what is call money market? Children, I will just explain to you, then you can listen or look at the slide. Call money means the money which is borrowed, okay, by the banks. It is not for you and me. The money which is borrowed by organization for a very short period. Call money market is a market where the money is borrowed for very short period. When we speak about very short period, I am just dropping that word because it is not clear. Very short period means money can be borrowed for some hours. Okay. Or it can be borrowed for one night. Or it can be borrowed maximum for 14 days. Look here. Generally, it is borrowed between 2 days and 14 days, 2 weeks time. But I told you money is borrowed even for hour. 4 घंटे के लिए. Then the question is, Madam, किसको इस ऐसा पैसा चाहिए? That is the main question. See, the call money rate में who are the active players? Call money rate में active players are commercial banks and the share brokers. I am repeating, call money market में active players are commercial banks as well as the brokers, share brokers. I am talking about share broker. अब देखो इधर. Who are the active members of Indian? One you can see here. Who are the active players? देखो, commercial bank, share brokers, development financial institutions, cooperative banks, NBFI. Children, what is NBFI? Non-banking financial intermediary. Non-banking financial intermediary. That is NBFI. Okay. So, who are the leading players in the organized segment of money market? Call money market, ma'am, I am repeating, money is borrowed and lent for few hours. It is borrowed for 1 day, 2 days, maximum 14 दिन, 2 weeks time. So who are there are lenders and there are the borrowers. So money market में who are the lenders? पैसा कौन किसको देगा? Okay, commercial bank will give the money. Commercial bank किसको देगा? दूसरा commercial banks को देगा, share broker को देगा. Okay, then cooperative banks को देगा. Then there are non-banking financial intermediaries. Okay, children. Now the question is, there is something known as call money rate. ये सब आएगा objective में. This is something known as call money rate. What is call money rate, children? Call money rate means the rate at which funds are borrowed and lent to all the call money market. पूरा कॉल मनी मार्केट में जितना पैसा चाहिए उतना पैसा देता है वो एजेंसी को, वो एजेंसी will fix the call money rate. I hope children you are understanding. कॉल मनी रेट कौन फिक्स करेगा? इंडिया में कॉल मनी रेट कौन फिक्स करता है? RBI. Okay, RBI fixes the rate. Now, when the commercial bank wants the money, they can approach RBI. Okay, in the commercial bank, when they want to borrow money, when they want to lend money, naturally they are working under the instruction of RBI. So call money rates are those rates which are decided by RBI. So suppose that I will give you the best example. You know that Chembur Market Road, that is, Sahar Theatre ke baaju mein, there are, say, number of banks are there. Syndicate Bank, today it is the Canara Bank. Canara Bank and the Bank of India, ekdam, so next to next hai. So being suppose that on a working day, Canara Bank or the Canara, we will call it as Canara Bank. Canara Bank realizes that lot of people are coming to take the money. Canara Bank का कैशियर को समझ में आया a particular day इतना ज़्यादा customers आता है cash withdraw करने का. So as a cashier, you got a very responsible job. What is the job, children? The cashier has to go and talk to the manager. Sir, हमारा cash अभी कम होने वाला है. आज बहुत सारा withdrawals हुआ है. Manager will ask, but deposits also might have come. You know that bank received deposits and giving the loans. Then they will say that, yes, that is also, deposits have also come, no problem. But the problem here is, those who have come to take the money, their number is more than the people who have deposited. So in this case, what the commercial bank will do? Commercial bank ko to paisa chahiye, borrowers, depositors are coming. If you do not give money to the depositor, they will be having a very negative impression that may affect the very working of commercial bank. So what is happening is, I told you, there is a particular time where there is a huge demand for money. Canara Bank on Monday morning is realizing that there is a huge demand for money. So what are the procedure? Point number one, Canara Bank will intimate their regional office in Mumbai. Canara Bank का regional office को Canara Bank inform करेगा. क्या inform करेगा? We are running short of cash. Immediately send say 50 crore. Okay. So आपका जो regional office है, which is providing the cash, आप कभी-कभी देखा होगा when you are walking, when you go near the bank, वो cash man आया होगा, उसके साथ police होगा, वो time आपको ATM में भी allow नहीं करेगा because वो लोग पैसा भरता है ATM में. Okay, the problem is Canara Bank has told the issue to their regional office in Mumbai. Sorry, their regional office, you can say in Mumbai, little away. मुंबई से पैसा चेंबूर आने के लिए तो टाइम तो चाहिए. So minimum 2 to 3 hours it will take because procedural systems have to be completed. So the money will come to Chembur branch only after 4 o'clock. Let us assume. But the problem here is you want the money before that. 4 बजे के पहले आपको पैसा चाहिए because so many customers are standing to take the money from their account. So ये situation में आप क्या करेगा? I told you one side पर there is Canara Bank present. The new bank. That is the earlier syndicate bank. ये तो first floor में भी second floor में भी है. उधर से once you like come from the moment I told you, Canara Bank has given instruction to regional office. Regional office said that they will give you the money by evening. But Canara Bank cannot wait till evening. So 2 building छोड़कर Canara Bank का 2 building छोड़ने पर there is another Indian bank. There is one more bank known as Indian Bank. So Canara Bank manager will telephone to Indian Bank manager. ऐसा है हमारे पास अभी कैश नहीं है, urgently हमको 50 lakh चाहिए. Example, Indian banking system is such that when one bank is asking another bank, if the money is there, they should give. That means all the banks should help each other. So Indian bank manager 5 minute के बाद phone करके बोलेगा, yes boss, मेरे पास पैसा है. Okay, you send somebody because it's a huge amount. So Canara Bank sends somebody. They collect 50 lakh from Indian Bank. उसी दिन शाम तक कैनरा बैंक का रीजनल ऑफिस से गाड़ी आएगा, फंड भी कैनरा बैंक को मिल जाता है और कैनरा बैंक ये 50,000 रुपए इंडियन बैंक को वापस देता है. When this is happening same day, here what is the advantage? One advantage is that Canara Bank could get the money in order to give to the customers. That's a very big point. As far as Indian Bank is concerned, what is the advantage? they have, issued 50 lakh rupees to Canara Bank. And Canara Bank has returned it also. But though they are returning on the same day, syndicate, this Indian bank will charge some interest. Say, for example, 1%. One example. So 50 lakh ka 1% kitna hai, you yourself can find out. 50,000 rupees. So aisa hi 50,000 rupees Canara Bank, Indian Bank ko milta hai. Because same day they are lending money and the same day they are getting the money. So this is a temporary adjustment between one bank and other bank. Okay, so this is officially allowed. This is known as call money rate. Then you will ask the question, madam, abhi India ka call money rate kitna hai? Abhi India ka call money rate is around 8%, hovering around 8%. And children, please understand that the moment call money rate is increasing, it is a danger signal. What is the reason? Call money rate jab bahut बढ़ जाएगा when there is a lot of demand for liquid cash in the market. And this is especially when the stock markets are booming. Okay, that time there will be heavy demand for call money. Because I told you share brokers also borrow from the commercial bank. एक दिन के लिए, 2 दिन के लिए, they will also borrow. So the call money market ka rate is very important in order to study the share market. We know that at present share market has touched 60,000. But abhi ka call money rate kam hai. During Harshad Mehta's scam, during Ketan Bareka's scam, our call money rate was almost 9%. Otherwise, it is ranging between 2 to 3%, normal standard rate. So 9% call money rate aa gaya, matlab everybody, they are in need of money. So banks are continuously borrowing from other bank. So that is the reason call money rate is high. The time is getting nearby. I am just quickly discussing. I am not sure you are able to follow it or not because we are not seeing each other. First, you tell me call money market is controlled by whom? Answer to the question. Either unmute or put it in the chat box. Call money market is controlled by whom?
RBI.
Very good. Excellent. It is controlled by RBI. Call money market mein money is borrowed and lent either for few hours or 1 day or maximum 14 days. That call money ka meaning kya hai? Money on call. Jab bulata hai paisa wapas dene ka. That is the meaning. Now the question arises, who are the borrowers? Call money market se kaun paisa leta hai? Individuals like you and myself cannot borrow from call money market. In the call money market, the main, the people who want money, I told you, are commercial banks. Abhi Canara Bank ka story bola. Commercial bank, share brokers, okay, developmental financial institutions, cooperative bank, etc. Now, how does the call money system work? RBI fixes the call money rate. Point number 1. RBI fixes call money rate. Generally, call money ka the range is between 3 to 4 to 5%. You can say 3 to 5%. When the call money rate is very high, I told you danger signal is starting. Why? Economy mein liquidity kam hai. Okay, isliye so many children are joining now. I am going to finish the lecture for the sake of attendance. You are joining. I can see from here. This is height of it. Okay, so I told you call money rates are the crucial indicators of share market. If the share market is booming like anything, call money rate is also increasing. It is a very bad scenario. Why? Because market mein liquidity kam hai. That is why all are borrowing. That is the main reason. So the call money rate should be always, a reasonable call money rate. Abhi though the sector is touched 60,000, our call money rate is under control. What is the reason, children? Now the liquidity come from foreigners. Foreign institutions are buying the Sensex, or the shares. That is the reason now the call money rates are low. Now the question I told you, share market mein or the call money market mein, who is the, with the call money market mein, which are the famous places for the call money market? Mumbai, Calcutta and Ahmedabad. You know that these are the centers of trade market, share market, Mumbai. Then you take the case of Kolkata and Ahmedabad. So children, who will borrow from call money market? I told you share brokers, commercial banks and NBFI, non-banking financial intermediaries. They will borrow. And who will give the money? वो लोगों का पैसा कौन देगा? वो लोगों का पैसा देगा commercial bank. Okay, commercial bank will give the money. Same day वापस मिलेगा, नहीं तो next 2-3 days में वापस आएगा. So commercial bank को इसके अंदर क्या advantage है? Because commercial bank can charge some rate. That rate is known as call money rate. And call money rate is fixed by RBI. It should be very clear to you. If there is any doubt, now itself you ask. Otherwise chat box में डालो समझ में आ गया करके. Who is fixing call money rate in India, children? जल्दी आंसर दो. Who is fixing call money rate in India? Call money rate कौन fix करता है इंडिया में?
RBI.
Children have written also. I am happy. RBI. 3 active markets, call money market ka Mumbai, Calcutta, and Ahmedabad. You know that Mumbai and Ahmedabad. This financial or equity market is managed by these people. Like Mumbai equity market is very active. Ahmedabad, Gujarat ka part hai. ये दोनों area में Gujaratis are very active. Okay. बहुत सारा chat box में डाला है. Okay, thank you. So this is about the call money market. We may require maximum 1 week to finish your portion. Sufficient time is there is no issue. I cannot, I may be, but we will just start next one. Next is treasury bill. Children, what is treasury bills? Please take down. Treasury bills are the short-term securities issued by RBI on behalf of the government. Very, very popular instrument in India, treasury bills. These are the short-term securities, okay, issued by RBI on behalf of the government. Please understand, treasury bills are very, very safe instrument and the life is also very less, 3 months, 4 months period. I will give you the example of treasury bills. So treasury bills are sold by RBI, issued by government. As a depositor or as an XYZ individual, it is very, very good for you because treasury bill charges or treasury bill provides very good rate of return. So treasury bills are issued by RBI on behalf of government. Suppose that government wants to borrow, say 300 crore. Government wants to borrow the 300 crore. Okay, here. So government को पैसा चाहिए, वो क्या करेगा? Government will issue the bonds. Government will issue the bonds. And who will sell this bond? It means here this bond is the treasury bill. Government will sell the treasury bill. Who will sell this treasury bill? Banks. And who will buy the bond? Who will buy the securities? It can be purchased by banks. It can be purchased by financial institutions and even individuals. even individuals. Look here, treasury bills are issued by government. It is sold by RBI on behalf of government. Please remember that. The most super hit product of money market, because it is issued by government and it provides high rate of interest. Amazing. When commercial banks are giving say 5% interest to you, okay, treasury bills will give you 8% interest. And treasury bill क्यों issue होता है children? Because government को पैसा चाहिए. So government अपने bond commercial bank को देगा, हमारे लिए 50 लाख और हमारे लिए for example 75 crores चाहिए. Immediately issue the treasury bonds. So treasury RBI will issue the treasury bills, and the bills are purchased by commercial banks, other financial institutions, and individuals. Why the treasury bills are super hit in India? What is the reason? That's what we are going to see. First is it is highly liquid. What do you mean by that highly liquid? जब चाहिए वो टाइम बैंक में दिखाकर इससे पैसा वापस मिलेगा. Otherwise तो भी 3 months या 6 months से highly liquid है. Assured return, yield means return. So assured return, I told you 8% means 8% मिल जाएगा. Then transaction cost भी कम है. Treasury bills are issued in the multiples of 25,000 and the multiples of 25,000. So treasury bills का issue का size है, means treasury bill खरीदने का तो 25,000 rupees में आपको ये क्या 2 treasury bill खरीद सकते हैं. Somebody says no madam मेरे पास 1 lakh rupees है, so आपको 4 treasury bill मिलेगा. Okay, I hope it is clear to you.